World Countries Passport Index 2024. Purpose: the index ranks world passports based on the number of countries their holders can access without a prior visa. Methodology: it uses data from the International Air Transport Association, IATA, the largest travel information database. Publisher: Henley & Partners, a global citizenship and residence advisory firm, publishes the index annually. Key findings of the 2024 index. Rankings. Top ranked passports. Singapore holds the top spot, allowing visa-free access to a record number of countries. Top 5. Number 1 is Singapore with visa-free access to 195 countries. Number 2 are France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Spain with visa-free access to 192 countries. Number 3 are Austria, Finland, Ireland, Luxembourg, Netherlands, South Korea, and Sweden with visa-free access to 191 countries. Number 4 are Belgium, Denmark, New Zealand, Norway, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom with visa-free access to 190 countries. Number 5 are Australia and Portugal with visa-free access to 189 countries. India and its neighbors. India ranks 82nd with access to 58 countries. Pakistan ranks 100th with access to 33 countries. China ranks 59th with access to 85 countries. Bhutan ranks 87th with access to 52 countries. Nepal ranks 98th with access to 39 countries. Bangladesh ranks 97th with access to 40 countries. Sri Lanka 93rd ranks with access to 44 countries. Afghanistan ranks 103rd with access to 26 countries. Some other countries. The USA ranks 8th with access to 186 countries. Russia ranks 45th with access to 116 countries. Ukraine ranks 30th with access to 148 countries. Israel ranks 18th with access to 170 countries. UAE ranks 9th with access to 185 countries. Regional trends. European countries dominate the top tiers, reflecting strong diplomatic relations and economic stability. Emerging economies. While many emerging economies have shown improvement, significant gaps persist compared to developed nations. Passport power. The index highlights the correlation between passport power and factors like economic strength, political stability, and global influence. Data and statistics. Exact rankings and visa-free scores for each country are available on the Henley Passport Index website. Comparative analysis. The index allows for comparisons between countries, regions, and over time. Data visualization. Interactive maps and charts are often used to present the data in a visually appealing manner. Implications. Travel freedom. The index provides insights into the ease of travel for citizens of different countries. Economic impact. Passport power can influence tourism, trade, and investment. Diplomatic relations. A strong passport often reflects positive diplomatic ties with other nations. Global citizenship. The index can be a tool for individuals considering second citizenship or residency programs. Limitations. Focus. The index primarily focuses on visa-free travel and does not consider other factors like security, cost of living, or quality of life. Dynamic nature. Passport rankings can change rapidly due to geopolitical events and policy changes.
Which country ranks last of the index? Comment down your answer.